Trying to learn Japanese? Get the lessons that are perfect for you. Click here to get your free lifetime account.
Hi everyone! Welcome to the Ultimate Japanese Particle Guide.
In this lesson, you learn the particle o.
This particle is often referred to as the object particle or object marker because it usually comes after the direct object of an action. Let's see how it functions in a sentence. Risa, how do you say to eat?
食べます。
Now, for eat, you need an object. The thing you eat is known as the object of the sentence. For example, say you eat sushi. So the object is sushi, and it has to be followed by the object particle.
寿司を
Then add the verb.
食べます。寿司を食べます。
This means to eat sushi. Risa, can you also add the subject of the sentence and say, I eat sushi?
Sure. 私は寿司を食べます。
Great. Let's try it with another verb. How do you say to make?
作ります。
How do we say to make curry? The object is curry, followed by the object marker, it's
カレーを all together カレーを作ります。
Okay, and now let's put the subject. Let's say John makes curry.
ジョンさんはカレーを作ります。
Some textbooks spell this particle as W-O. Risa, how do we spell and pronounce this particle?
The object marking particle is in the last row of the hiragana chart. It sounds like the regular o, as in a, I, u, e, o. That's why we spell it o.
Now, let's take a look at a few more examples.
私は薬を飲みます。
I'll take medicine.
これをください。
Please give me this one.
私は新しい車を買いました。
I bought a new car. This particle can also be used to indicate the place of movement, in addition to being used as an object marking particle. In this usage, it is used with verbs that describe motion, to walk, to fly, to cross, to turn, and so on.
In Japanese, these verbs are 歩きます、飛びます、渡ります、曲がります、among others.
Let's see how it functions in a sentence. For example, how do you say to walk through the park?
Park is 公園。So, 公園を歩きます。
To cross a bridge?
Bridge is 橋。So, 橋を渡ります。
Notice how the particle marks the place where the movement takes place. Through the park was,
公園を、
bridge was.
橋を、
Here is another example.
あの角を曲がってください。
This means, please turn at that corner.
曲がって or 曲がります is the movement. Where it takes place, あの角 that corner is marked by お。
Let's take a look at a few more examples.
ウミガメは海を泳ぎます。
A turtle swims in the sea.
セミは木を登ります。
A cicada climbs up a tree.
彼は交差点を渡ります。
He crosses the intersection. In this lesson, you learned about the particle
お。
Be sure to like the video and subscribe so that you don't miss all of the Japanese lessons that are coming soon. And if you want to learn even faster, go to JapanesePod101.com and sign up for your free lifetime account to unlock the ultimate Japanese particle guide, the complete video course on particles. Click the link in the lesson description to get your free lifetime account right now. In the next lesson, you'll learn about the particle
え
See you in the next lesson. Bye!
Bye!